Megachip Semicon Electronics Corporation. When one sees a problem, we see a solution. Here are the products and services we offer. Trading. MICROCOAT USA has die-attach adhesives, Glob top coatings, filling materials, conformal coatings, and cyanoacrylate adhesives. ADT Israel has wafer saw, wafer dicing blades, package singulation blades, and saw accessories. Cosma Korea has capillary for gold, PCC, copper, gold PCC, and silver wires. AMC Korea has wafer tapes, DAF tapes, singulation tapes, back grinding tapes, and backside laminating tapes. Shili Taiwan has capillary refreshed recycling. And AC&C has mold rubber sheet cleaner. Services. We have board repair for HMI, motherboards, drivers, and inverters. And other repair services for chiller, oven, servo motors, and spindle motors. Automation and R&D. We have oven profiler system for real-time temperature monitoring and alert. We also have ready-made and customized web applications and mobile applications. Megachipsem has over 20 years of experience in semiconductor industry. Our mission and vision. The owner-founder has over 20 years of experience in manufacturing assembly. We have over 190 accredited customers from different industries. Contact us today.